Hello students, welcome to civics class. Last class we have discussed about the High Court and its functions. Today we will discuss the subordinate court. All the courts at the district level and below are known as subordinate courts. There are three types of subordinate courts are there: civil courts, criminal courts and the revenue courts. So what is a civil court? The court which deals with the cases related to land, property, money transactions. Criminal courts. It deals with robbery, murder, theft. Let's discuss about the differences between court of the district judge and the sessions court. It is the highest civil court of the district, and session court, it is the highest criminal court of the district. It is presided over by a district judge, and session court, it is presided over by a session judge. The district judge decides civil cases related to land, property and etc. The sessions court, the session judge decides criminal cases like murders, theft, etc. This is all about your subordinate court. Now we will discuss about Lok Adalat. It means people's court. It encourages the settlements of the disputes through compromises or settlements between parties. So let's know what are the advantages of the Lok Adalat. It delivers fast and inexpensive justice. It reduces the workload of other courts. It provides legal aid. It works with a spirit for the compromises and understanding. So this is all about your High Court, Subordinate Court and Lok Adalat. So now we'll discuss some important questions of this chapter. Name two High Courts of India whose jurisdiction extends to more than 2 states. Answer: Guwahati High Court, Punjab and Haryana High Court. Question number 2. Name a union territory which has a high court of its own. Answer: Delhi High Court. What is the term of office of a judge of the High Court? Till the age of 62 years. Who can remove the judge of the High Court? The President has the power, he can remove the judge of the High Court. Who decides the salaries and allowances of the judges of the High Court? Answer: the Parliament. So this is all about your High Court chapter. Thank you.